Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a Wi-Fi repeater range extender. So we're gonna use this here to hopefully be able to extend all the way down to my car. So I can, if I can open this thing up, so I can charge my, so I can connect my Tesla to the internet, which it's not connecting to right now because my garage is too far away. So this is what it looks like here. So this here is the device. Look at that, it's got 4 antennas. It's like you can crawl around or something like that. And then it plugs in through there. And I'll show you guys in a few minutes here how we'll set it up. But I'm gonna plug it in and I'm gonna give this thing a try here in a second. And let's see, well, I guess you guys don't have to see it. I'll show you guys it right now, and then we'll show you guys on the app how it works. So this is it plugs in, there's a little reset button up top, and then there's an Ethernet port here if we were to connect it up. So I'm gonna plug it in now, right over here. I'm gonna unplug whatever was in there. Okay, let's give this a try now. So now it's called Wi-Fi Extender 5G A2A something, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so now it's trying to connect to it. I'm actually going to connect it to a different network, but I'll connect it to my network here in the meantime. So, okay, so you can see there's a million of them here. I'm going to go into mine, which is there. I can't show you guys my password. Okay, so I did it, and now it says it's configuring my network. Sorry, I couldn't show you the password because the video wouldn't be approved. But here we go. Configuring network. Please close this page after 40 seconds, then connect to the new network. Oh, and there we are. It already closed it for me. So now we are connected back to our network, and we should be on I got a notification that on my my router that a new device was on there. So now we should be connected to it, and yeah, I think we're good. I mean, that was the easiest thing ever to connect. So there we go. So now we have a lot more distance. My signal strength is ridiculously strong now because I'm connected from here to here instead of way over there where it was before. So that is great. So now I'm connected. Let me just do a speed test for fun. Let's see what I get. I don't know if you guys have ever done these things here. But, yeah, 350, which I think I pay for 500. So it's working. So super good. I mean, this is awesome. So that was the easiest thing ever. I haven't installed one so easy before. Usually you have to configure all sorts of stuff. But this is it, and it's super easy to do. So if you need a Wi-Fi repeater, man, pick up this one here. Thumbs up for sure.